Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech and Talk. In this lesson, we'll learn how to select the records from the table. What is the syntax for to select a record? Select column 1, column 2 and whatever the columns are available in your table. So those columns you can take here from your table name. Let's get started. We'll see the example. Here select name, mobile, email from employee. So name, mobile, email are the fields of the column and employee is my table name. It's a very simple query to select the record from the table. Now we'll see in SQL Server select star from employee details. So when you are giving the star here, it means you are selecting all the records from the table. You can customize this query also. Let's say you'll have to select only employee name and email as your column name. Employee name, comma, email. So you can customize this query also. And same thing also you can see that from Object Explorer also. So here you'll have to go select top 1000 row. Here you can see the similar way we can see the records here also from Object Explorer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.